In the name of Allah, my great students, today I'm going to teach you the English for secondary school. It's about the third literary section. Before starting our lesson in Arabic in simple words, I want to tell you الجرامر اللي احنا اخذناه طبعا بتاع الوحده الخامسه او السادسه او السابعه هو المستر احمد ابو زيد اللي شرحه. يعني الجرامر سواء علمي وادبي واحد، مفيش مشكله فيه. فالنهارده today I'm going to teach you the lessons, okay? Our lesson is in unit 5 literature. Okay, I'm going to teach you main points on unit 5. بمعنى ان احنا هنشرح يعني بعض النقاط المهمة اللي هي في الوحدة الخامسة بس. Okay? Try to listen to me or try to start. Okay? Okay, literary section. Third literary section. Today the lesson, as I said, main points on unit 5. يعني هناخد نقاط معينة في الوحدة الخامسة. Okay? The first one, okay? The Antarctica is the mass of ice at the South Pole, where the coldest temperature recorded is minus 89. Okay? The second one, the British or the first British expedition in 1909 was close to the South Pole. 3. The first British expedition needed more food. Okay, and number 4, we can say that in 1911 the second British expedition failed. Why? Because they used their hands to sledges. Okay, this is one of the most points in the unit 5. We can see the Antarctica اللي هي القطب الجنوبي. Okay, Antarctica القطب الجنوبي نفسه هنا is the mass of ice at the south pole اللي هي في القطب الجنوبي where the coldest temperature درجة الحرارة هناك recorded سجلت minus 89 سلسيوس. وصلت درجة الحرارة هناك إلى سالب 89 درجة. Okay, the second one, the first British expedition in 1909 was close to the South Pole. بمعنى إنه الرحلة الاستكشافية الأولى البريطانية كانت بالقرب اللي كانت 1909 كانت قريبة من القطب الجنوبي. يبقى احنا هنخلي بالنا من كلمة أنتاركتيكا و the South Pole. Okay, this is the first one. The first British expedition in 1909 was close to the South Pole. The third one, the first British expedition needed more food. We can say that it failed. هنقول إن هي فشلت because they needed more supplies. Food means supplies. كان عندهم مشكلة إن هم ما كانش عندهم إمدادات كافية إن هم يكملوا. In the second one, in the 1911, the second British expedition. This is the second one. يبقى the first one failed because they needed more food or they needed more supplies. The second one in 1911, the second British expedition failed because they used their hands to drag sledges. بمعنى انه الاولى احنا قلنا فشلت بسبب انه ما كانش عندهم امدادات او طعام كافي. و the second one failed حتى هي فشلت because they use their hands. استخدموا ايديهم to drag sledges في جر او في شد الزلاجات. Okay. On the fifth point, we can say that the Norwegian expedition used dogs for transport. Okay, we can say that all living things need food or need to breathe, need to breathe oxygen from the air. Okay, plants need water, soil, and sun shine to grow. 8. Man uses oil and coal to produce energy. 9. Minerals are extracted from the ground for use in industry. Okay, number 10, oceans provide us with an important source of food. Okay, 11, agriculture, and this is an important one. Agriculture is the science of using land to produce food by growing crops and raising livestock. And raising livestock. Okay, as I explained in Arabic this part, I'm going to help you to understand the meaning of each one in the second part. The Norwegian expedition used dogs for transport. بمعنى انه الرحله الاستكشافيه النرويجيه استخدموا الدوجز for transport. transport معناها نقل، يعني هم استخدموا الكلاب في النقل. Okay. Number 6, all living things need to breathe oxygen from the air. يعني احنا هنقول كده انه كل الكائنات الحيه تحتاج ان تتنفس الاكسجين from the air. air اللي هو الهواء. Okay. 7, plants need water, soil and sunshine to grow. بمعنى انه النبات بيحتاج الى water وسويل وسانشاين. السويل هي التربه والسانشاين اللي هو ضوء الشمس to grow عشان ينمو. Okay. 8, man uses oil and coal to produce energy. بمعنى انه الانسان استخدم الاويل والفحم عشان ينتج الطاقة. Okay. Number 9, minerals are extracted from the ground for use in industry. بمعنى انه المعادن، وده مهم جدا بيجي في امتحان، minerals are extracted from the ground for use in industry. تستخدم لعملية تستخلص تستخلص هذه المعادن من الأرض للاستخدام في الصناعة. Okay. The last, number 10, oceans اللي هي المحيطات provide us with an important source of food. بمعنى إنه المحيطات بتمدنا بمصدر مهم من الطعام أو الغذاء. 11, as I said, it's important. Agriculture اللي هو زراعة, or we can say with another word, it's farming, is the science of using land. هو علم استخدام الأرض to produce food by growing crops and raising livestock. Okay, now it's our time to take our homework. Okay. The homework today, we are going to say true or false. True or false and correct. First one, we can say that in 1909 the Norwegian expedition used dogs for transport. True or false? The second one. Fossils are extracted from the ground to use for industry. The last one, agriculture is changing the land into unused land. True or false? If you can understand the lesson, the main points, in unit 5 you can answer all the question. Today it's the time for finishing. I'm happy to stay with you. Thank you and thank you. Goodbye.